In a half mile, turn left onto...
Hey friends. All right, so as you can see, I'm in the car. So my furniture did not come today. Oh, wait. If y'all new here, I'm Nisha. I am Nisha. I'm living lavishly.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto...
Anyway, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. We're always here. We're family. You know how we do it. But anyway, my furniture didn't come today. And no, they did not call to tell me that they were not coming. But anyway, because it's me, I just had to pick up and go somewhere else and do some more shopping, because that's what I do. So anyway, a thought came to mind and I saw something and I was like, I got a plan for that. So I have this idea for the master bedroom, and I really couldn't find
Continue on current road for 0.8 miles.
What I was looking for, and if I find something, it's like on back order forever. So I decided I'm going to DIY. And what better place to go than Ikea to get what I need to do what I need to do. So that's where I'm headed to, because it's in stock. And if you know how Ikea works, when it's there, you got to get it, because it might be gone
in a
tomorrow.
Half mile.
You know what? Never mind, because she just rude. So I'm going to just talk to y'all later. Look at this. This is nothing but God, because I'm here for two and they have two. So it was meant. Let me grab them before somebody else tries to. Hey fam, so we are headed to the store because I remember I bought those photo frames from Home Goods. They were $16.99 each. We gotta get some toys. I just bought you toys. You need some more? Okay. All right, so anyway, they were $16.99 and I went to Ikea and they had them for $9.99. So we got to take those back. So that's what we're doing. And since this is my favorite Home Goods out here by the rental home, I'm going to see what else they have. And then we're going to run a few more errands and I'll be back. Hey y'all, so I just got home. It's like 7:50 in the morning. And I spent the weekend out at the rental home with the family versus them coming up here. I went out there, and my favorite Home Goods is actually out in that area. They always, I mean, it's like going in, it's like Christmas morning every time I go in there. They always got the good stuff, or they always got something that I want. I've never went in there and was like, oh, they don't have anything today, but you know how I do. So I did buy a few things because I went in there, remember to take those picture frames back. And I needed a few other things, so I ended up getting those and some stuff that I probably didn't go in there for. But either way, we ain't here to judge. We ain't here to judge. So I'm gonna show you what I bought, because I also went to Ikea before I went out there, and then I went to Target. But baby, we need some coffee first. So hold on, hold that thought. Before I forget. So when I went out there, one of my old coworkers, AKA my friend now, told me she bought me a housewarming gift. So I went by and saw what she got me, and baby, she was right on point. Look at these. They are super cute. So it's a set of 4, and they're little small mason jar mugs. I was like, oh, I love them. So she got me those, and then she got me this decanter for the bar. You see? Isn't that the cutest? It'll say like Jen on this side, and then it has like measuring on the back. She was right on point with that too. And she also got me an ice chiller. So I can either put like ice in here, or either I can put like, of course, a bottle of wine, a bottle of champagne with some ice. Valentine's Day is coming up. You already know where I'm going with this. You already know. I really appreciate it. So this will definitely be getting put to use. All right, on to the home good stuff. Bear with me, because you gotta see this. Hold on, because I got all three of them. All three sizes. Look at these. See the detail on there? So, like I said, it's a set of 3. And I don't think I'm gonna use because you see it has like a thing for a tea light, or you can use a taller candle, or you could just take that out and put flowers in there. It's up to you. They're a little dusty, of course. But I thought that these will look amazing sitting in the center of my dining room table once it finally arrives. Fingers crossed, it's here on Saturday. Fingers crossed, the 29th. So, fingers crossed. But that set of 3 right there, when I saw it, I was like, I gotta have that. And then I got, this one is called Barrel Aged. This one has more of like a minty, woodsy, like wintry smell. Also smells really good. And I got that. This one was $7.99, and this one was on clearance for $6. And I got this one. This one is Fig Magnolia. This one just smells clean. It smells, it kind of got a little bit of a sweet smell to it, but it's more of a clean, like after taking a good shower. You know, you take a good shower, good hot shower, and then, you know, it's just that good smelling, like that body wash type of smell, and it smells amazing too. Not too sweet, but just like a good smelling shower. That makes sense. You know where I'm going with this. But wait, the star of the show. Look how big these are. Oh my goodness. When I saw these, I was like, these going on my nightstand in the bedroom. And they were $50 each. But with the vision that I have for the master bedroom, this is gonna be on point. $50, and they're huge. The vibe that I am going for in the master bedroom is gonna be black, darker gray, and with a hint of white. It's gonna be definitely chill vibes only. It's because I work nights, so I need it to be nice and dark, and I want it to be where my calm space is. Every other place in the house, lights, bright, sunshine. But in that bedroom, when I come in there, I want to be chill. Lay down, watch movies, a whole vibe. It's gonna be, that's where I'm going with it. You'll see, but that is my vibe. It is gonna be a complete different vibe than any other part of my house. It's gonna be dark. It's gonna be like, I want expensive hotel in the bedroom. I think that might be it that's it for home goods. So I didn't do too bad. But then I went to Target, and at their dollar spot, They had these for $5. So I'm gonna insert a picture. These, okay, so I don't like, I don't like real flowers, but so I have been seeing on Etsy and Pinterest these Chanel or what other brand was it? It was Chanel, might have been even Dior or whatever, and it had like the little logo, and then it had like it looks like, I don't believe they were real flowers, but they had like all these phony roses or whatever, and they have like maybe a bow or like some bling or whatever around them. Like I said, I'm gonna insert a picture so you can see where I'm going with it. On Etsy, people be wanting like 80 bucks for these, or even 100. I've seen them as much as 150. Maybe I can make my own cheaper than that. So DIY coming. So I got this one, which is black. I got a white one, and I had Amani with me. I had Amani with me, so she wanted this one, which is a green color, because she'll be going to college. This is gonna be the color, one of the colors in her dorm room, so she wanted one as well, and these were $5 each. So I'm gonna do it on the budget. Okay, so I also got 2 of these. 2 picture frames. They were 18 bucks each, right? Only reason I paid 18 bucks compared to the $10 that I paid for the other ones at Ikea is because I'm keeping this picture. This picture is really just like a placeholder for you to put your picture, your family picture, whatever you're gonna put, but I'm keeping this. This is gonna go in my next DIY, which is gonna start after this video. This right here. I got 2 of them. They were 18 bucks, remember? So, remember I said I went to Ikea? Okay, let me show you. So I bought 2 of these rasped, I guess they're like supposed to be small dressers, but I like my nightstands to have drawers on them to keep, glasses, cell phone stuff, chargers, whatever, just little stuff, as well as Dante. So I have been looking for nightstands and just could not find just what I was looking for in the size, because that room, my room on video just does not show you how large it is. It has a full sitting room in it. Our king bed is still swallowed in there. So I wanted, it can hold a bigger nightstand than your typical smaller one. And the vision that I have for the room, I wanted a bigger nightstand. So of course I started doing some research, started seeing that people were using these as nightstands. So that's what I'm gonna do. So my plan is in the next couple of days is to flip those brown, because they come in just a raw wood. So I'm gonna flip them and make them more elegant. So that is also gonna be a DIY in the next week or 2. So yes, that is my plan. So I'm about to go and do another project in the master bathroom, in the water closet. That's gonna be my next video after this one. So I wanted to go ahead and get this haul out the way so that way I can show you guys my next project. And I'm about to start that today. So when you see me in these same clothes, it's the same day. Yeah, I shop on Amazon. Maybe I shop wherever I can get a good deal. Okay, so the project for the nightstand, it comes with these little brown knobs as well, wood knobs. So I ended up buying a box of knobs off of Amazon. I want to see what they look like. I'm back. Oh, these are so cute. Look at them. These are gonna be the handles on the nightstand. They're heavy too. I like them. Remember, black with that gray and a hint of white. I'm gonna end this video so that way I can get started on my next video. And of course, I'm bringing you guys along because that's what I do. All right, so as always, thank you. Thank you again for liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you haven't done so, go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe button so that you can become part of this fam, because over here, we get time. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.